How to set up and use Discord on PS5. The Discord integration on PS5 allows you to seamlessly chat with your Discord friends while gaming on your PlayStation. It involves a one-time account linking process followed by transferring active voice chats from your Discord app to your console. Launch the Discord application, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the cogwheel or gear icon in the top right. In the User Settings menu, find and select Connections. In the Connection section, you will see various platform logos. Tap on the PlayStation logo. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be redirected to the PlayStation Network login page in a browser. Log in with your PSN credentials to authorize the connection between your Discord and PlayStation accounts. Once linked, you'll see your PlayStation activity on your Discord profile. You can only transfer active voice chats to your PS5. You cannot initiate a Discord call directly from the PS5. Using your Discord app, join an existing voice channel or start a voice call with friends. Ensure your mic or headset is working with your computer or phone first. Tap on the active voice channel to expand it. Look for the Transfer to Console button or icon. Tap the Transfer to Console icon. A pop-up will appear listing a PlayStation consoles that are turned on and linked to your Discord account. Your PS5 will receive a notification. You might need to confirm the transfer on your console. The Discord voice chat audio will be routed through your PS5, allowing you to use your PS5 connected headset. You'll see the Discord chat appear in the PS5 game base. To leave the chat, you can disconnect from the Discord voice chat on your PS5's game base or from your Discord app on your other device.